Civil liberties and immigrant rights advocates are expressing outrage over a new Justice Department rule mandating federal agencies to collect DNA samples from anyone who is arrested and from foreigners detained by immigration authorities. ACLU attorney Larry Frankel said, quote, "We should not be taking DNA, which contains highly personal information, from people merely upon suspicion they've done something wrong. This completely reverses the notion someone is innocent until proven guilty." Until now, the practice was limited to people convicted of felonies or certain violent misdemeanors. Nearly all of the 13 states that already collect DNA samples limit the practice to arrests related to violent crimes or felonies. According to the Department of Justice, at the federal level, officials will take a cheek swab for DNA from arrestees regardless of the nature of the offense.
But that's not all, Allie. Meanwhile, Attorney General Michael Mukasey has issued a ruling that immigrants who are facing deportation because of shoddy work by their attorney no longer have the right to get their cases reopened. Immigration attorneys said the rule threatens immigrants' right to a fair hearing in a community already vulnerable to fraud. Nadine Wettstein, director of the American Immigration Law Foundation's Legal Action Center, said, quote, "People pretend to be lawyers and hang up a shingle and tell the client, 'I am a lawyer and going to represent you,' and then they don't. If that were to happen, this decision says, tough luck." Nikhil Shah, a Los Angeles immigration attorney originally from India, said he almost lost his chance at a green card because he was misled by a paralegal who pretended to be an attorney and failed to properly submit his paperwork. Charles Cook, president of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, said, quote, "Our hope is a lot of these incredibly intrusive, borderline unconstitutional actions are simply going to be stopped by the new administration." Legislative records show that as a senator, President-elect Barack Obama supported laws that authorized the DNA collection.